Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗵𝗿 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on crude oil. NYMEX crude oil price rallied upward strongly yesterday, along with trendline breakout indicate short-term trend is bullish. However, crude oil price is oblique near to its key resistance of $82.42 level and break above will surge the price further up till $84.85 and $86.80 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at $78.50 level. The price indicator is bullish. MCX crude oil price is moving in sideways range and hovering near to its key resistance of 6,840 level on upside indicate trend is bullish. However, any break above 6,840 level can surge the price further up till 6,950 and 7,150 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 6,650 level and break below will act as a trend reversal. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.